Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Digital Ocean. I'm Georgi Petrov and today I'm going to be covering one topic that is very important and I see 90% of marketers are doing it wrong. And yeah, let's cover it. You've probably seen, you've had experience with a media buyer. You are a media buyer yourself, or digital marketer. That doesn't matter. I've seen them. On what basis do you decide to stop a certain optimization phase? It's absolutely important, right? Crucial. And how do you decide to optimize the ads? Which ads should be cut off? Based on what metric? To me, and based on what I've learned from Jason Horan, which is the guru of the gurus, you cannot rely on, let's say, most of marketers, they rely on impression or reach or something like that, something that kind of, let's say, soft metrics, right? While what I do usually, and what we do here at AIG Marketer, my agency, we first of all, we sit down with the client. We figure out what is the cost of goods sold. Based on this, we decide what will be the target CPA, right? What is the target ROAS? And based on those metrics, especially target CPA, once we hit target CPA and this ad set hasn't performed well, we just cut it off. Some people say, let's go for 500 impressions. The other people say, well, let's go for 1,000 impressions, which sometimes makes sense, right? But the experience that we have with over, I don't know, probably 18 countries, right? Or 18 different markets. How would you market on, let's say, Bulgaria? The CPM is about $1.50. And how would you decide by impressions when you are advertising on the United States, where the average CPA is about $26, $27 CPM, right? How would you decide this? I mean, within less than one day, you hit 500 impressions in Bulgaria, while in order to hit 500 impressions in the States, you will need just 2-3 days, right? For instance, which is very unreliable. You cannot rely on this data, guys. In that sense, I don't know if that makes sense for you, but once you hit your target CPA by spend, and you don't have even one, then you kill the whole ad set. This is my experience, and this is what I wanted to share with you. I'm striving to make you the best marketer, the best marketer of yourself, and really want to help you grow. And that's why I just wanted to shoot this quick video in order to share my experience about that. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification on and thumbs up in order to spike the YouTube algorithm. And thank you very much. See you in the